Hello everyone, this is Matty Protects Tip here, and we are going to be doing a setup tour because someone asked for it, so we're gonna do it. Now, this person did ask me to do it like 2 years ago, but oh well. I'm doing it now, so hope you're happy. So, here we go. So, this is pretty much the entire thing. Don't ask, I like it. It's what I can afford, so yeah. Right, so let's get started. We'll do the PC last since that's the most important thing. So here is my very, very old Toshiba laptop. It's used for school, but as you can see, it's just used for school. But it's nothing too exciting there. I've had it since 2014. It's now 2009, so about 5 years I've had it for. So it runs very slow, pretty much. I got headset stand for my birthday from my sister, so that was pretty good. The TV, well, the TV is used for my Xbox, but just for this video I thought, why the heck not, I've got a spare HDMI cable, I'll just whack it in. Actually, it looks quite good. Next up is this monitor here. So this is an Acer 27, no, I think it's a 23-inch widescreen or 27-inch widescreen. I'm not too sure on that. Anyway, so we've got this mighty tatty old chair which my next door neighbour gave to me, which was very nice. And as you can see, I have got the Razer Synosa keyboard, as well as the, I can't remember what mouse that is, but it's the one that's antidextrous, so it don't matter if you're left or right handed. And this is the Razer bounce pad. I haven't got it plugged in because I accidentally spilled my drink over it and I haven't bothered to plug it in since. Speakers are from Trust. Literally, it literally says Trust on them, so they work. They seem pretty good. Right, here we go. Time for the PC. Right, this PC has got a AMD Athlon 80s. Yeah, this has got an AMD Athlon 860K. This is a quad-core processor. It's also got 16 gigs of DDR3 RAM. It used to have only 8 gigs, as you can see. I have upgraded. It's got the Arctic Freezer 13 CPU cooler, and the motherboard is a let me think, a Gigabyte F288X D3HP motherboard, and the graphics card is the MSI Radeon RX 470 Gaming X Edition. Now, the SSD that I have got an SSD in here, which you might be able to see just down there. Is a 128GB SSD. I can't remember who it's from, so that's brilliant. It's also got a Seagate Barracuda 1TB hard drive. as well. The SSD used to be a 60 gig SSD, but we upgraded it because the SSD only has the operating system on, and the power supply is the CX500. It is a 500 watt power supply, which unfortunately is not modular, but it doesn't matter. And the case itself is the Corsair Spec Alpha. I chose it because I like the look of it. So yeah, and most importantly, the desk. It's a good old-fashioned IKEA desk. Right, there's nothing too special about it. And I decided to put the TV on top of the drawers. Don't know why I did that, but I did. Oh yes, the headset. I know we talked about the headset, didn't I? The headset is a Turtle Beach headset. Don't know what one it is. It does the job. It works. Yes, I have got a Amazon Alexa thing down there, which is weird because if you say something like, Alexa, tell me a joke.
Why are the Middle Ages sometimes called the Dark Ages?
Don't know.
Because they had so many nights.
Ha ha ha. It comes up with jokes that aren't funny in the slightest. And my phone, which I'm using right now, is actually is the Huawei P20 Lite. I literally have only had it for 2 weeks, and I am absolutely enjoying it. So yeah, that's going to be it for this video. Hope you all enjoyed, and I shall see you all next time. Goodbye.